Well, it is Sunday, and I am in the office getting things ready for a busy week in Pennsylvania and New Jersey. This week we'll be in court in Delaware County, Pennsylvania tomorrow, and then followed by Philadelphia Tuesday and Wednesday, then back in New Jersey for Thursday. Courts aren't going to be open on Fridays in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, I believe, or at least I'm not scheduled to be in court on Friday, but I think most courts, I believe, are still closed for Good Friday. Perhaps I'm dating myself here, but I know that in previous years, I can't recall ever being in court for a scheduled hearing on a Friday. Now, I have been in court on Fridays, Saturdays, and even Sundays for emergency bail hearings, but I don't believe that I have a hearing on Friday. So with that said, it will be a busy, short week, but we're getting ready, and that's why we're in the office this morning in Morristown, New Jersey. Did put out a blog article regarding stops in New Jersey. And this is an important topic because there's a difference between a police stop in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, especially regarding the police's ability to search a car in New Jersey versus in Pennsylvania. Remember that warrantless searches are permissible in the state of New Jersey, in the Garden State, but they are not permissible in Pennsylvania following the decision in the Commonwealth v. Alexander case. Our law firm spends a lot of time explaining this to clients and their families in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, as I've written before in my blogs, in my previous books, which are available on gamboandlaw.com. Police stops are often the number one way criminal cases begin. They usually stop with a traffic stop for something very minor, like running a stop sign or a red light, or perhaps speeding. And then following that stop, police discover some type of contraband, whether it be an illegal gun or firearm in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, or illegal narcotics, or they find that the driver was possibly DUI in Pennsylvania or DWI in New Jersey. So our law firm spends a lot of time going over this concept of illegal search and seizure, and I've written a lot of blog articles on it. But remember that if you are stopped in Pennsylvania and New Jersey, do not give consent to search your vehicle. Once you give consent, you negate most of your rights under the Pennsylvania and New Jersey and the U.S. Constitution. So you don't want to do that. Be polite, be respectful to the officer, but do not give anything more than your license and registration. Do not volunteer any information. There's no need to have a conversation with the officer about where you're going or where you've been. I can assure you they don't really care where you've been. They're asking those questions because they're trying to use that in an investigation to come up with some sort of suspicion to detain you and probable cause to obtain a search warrant in Pennsylvania or conduct a warrantless search in New Jersey. But if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. It is a nice Sunday. People will be out and about. If you are stopped for suspicion of DUI or DWI in Pennsylvania, New Jersey, do not refuse the chemical test. But remember, be polite, be respectful, but refusing that test will never help your criminal case, and it will result in administrative suspension of your driver's license, regardless of what happens in the criminal case. Once again, if you have questions, 215-755-9000 in Pennsylvania, 856-793-7429 in New Jersey, 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, website gamboandlaw.com. As always, a tremendous resource for you and your family. All my books, my blogs, my videos are available there in one convenient format. It is a great website. I encourage you to check it out. It has over 250 videos. And in addition, it has over 1,000 blog articles, I think, over the years. I've put out a blog article, I believe, at least one or two a week. So there's a substantial amount of content on the website, and I encourage you to check it out. Have a great Sunday, and I'll talk to you all very soon.